Hello everybody, my name is Alan Loy. In relation to the third sound of a sandwich, it will position itself into the data core. Any data core in relation to the third subject, it will position itself into the kamana. The kamana in this planet is an app tune. App tune or the amplifier will switch itself into the off mode. The off mode of the border is the dimension of the element of design for the protocol. Any protocol in a network of 5326 is a Tashkama of law based upon the element of law by the border. In relation to the third sound, it will katatam, the manuscript. Each manuscript will be pastana in law based upon the element of law by the border. In so, the border will be way into me in relation to the third subject. The third subject is a position of the army for sector 3 in relation to Safunk. The equilibrium to share the network of one is the Taskama of law based upon the element of law by the border. Any border in relation to the third subject, it will position itself into this mode. This is the conditional, the condition of method 6. In relation to the third sound of the wavetron, it is the element of design for the protocol. Each planet is a Tashkama of law based upon the element of law by the border. In so, if there is a border by the dimension, the third rock in is the Tashkama of law based upon the element of law by the border. And in so, the border is 3 on 1. This is the amplifier rep tune number 1, the Tashkama.